Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so. You all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. This is all about ideas signing in. And I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful crochet home decoration ideas. These are super unique and these are very beautiful and very amazing ideas for you guys. So viewers, hope you like this video. These are very beautiful and super incredible ideas for you guys. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. If you like this video, then click the like button and also share this video with your friends and with your family members. You guys easily make these crochet ideas, and these are very beautiful and very stunning crochet ideas for you guys. So viewers, hope so you enjoyed this video. Keep supporting my channel and keep watching my videos. I am glad to see you all guys. These are very beautiful ideas for you guys. Remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. Take care. Hope so guys you'll enjoy this video. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.